Around this time, end of October, we do it right before Halloween because we want to make sure these kids got a decent coat.
It is a community event. This is firefighters and other public safety officers, sheriffs, police officers, a lot of community volunteers.
Numerous local businesses here in Fairfax County. We're giving out approximately 3,000 brand new coats between now and the holidays in December.
All right, how about a book? Yeah, let's go get a book.
Not only are they getting a new coat, they're getting new books from the organization called Inspire Lit.
Want to go pick out a book?
One more? Let's get one more book.
We have Mickey Mouse greeting them coming off the bus. We have the Caring Angel Therapy Dogs here, an organization that takes their canines around to nursing homes and hospitals and things like that to greet individuals. So we brought them here also to greet the kids. So we're just making it a fun day for everyone, including our volunteers. We have approximately 80 schools, shelters, and nonprofits that will be picking up from us today. We get these coats from an organization called Operation Warm. They're the biggest, largest nonprofit coat distributor in the country out of Chadford, Pennsylvania. They took our program, adopted it. It's Firefighters Coats for Kids, a nationwide organization now that Fairfax County should be proud of because we started it here. We say they look good, they feel good, and now they're going to go back to school and they're going to do good. When we're not running 911 emergencies, we're trying to find other ways to help the community. And it's today putting thousands of brand new coats on deserving kids.